Hello everyone, and welcome to this video demonstrating how the Transport by Hulo platform works. The aim of this video is to help you find your way around the tool and organize the transport of your cargo. We are going to show you, step by step, how you can enter your cargo manifest details for a flight, as well as the documentation related to your cargo. Our objective is to collect the information and documentation we need to ensure the smooth organization of the flight. On your side, you'll be able to consult this information and download the AWB's airway bills once they've been produced. Let's get started. Once you've logged in to the landing page and landed on the dashboard page, you'll see the current flights. Click on Current Flights to see the open flights. From here, you can see all the ongoing flights. Depending on the flight your cargo is integrated to, you can then click on View Details to open the desired flight page. You'll be directed to the flight page, where you'll find your flight details with the suppliers for whom you'll need to fill in the information and the cargo manifest. From here, you need to click on Details, the eye icon, in order to check the information related to the first supplier. You have now arrived on the Cargo Manifest page. A cargo manifest includes all the details regarding your supplier and cargo. You will need to fill in the header and add a cargo line for each item of cargo. Then you will need to click on Edit in the Cargo Manifest header box to fill in the manifest. At this stage, you will fill in the Cargo Manifest header form. Please enter the details of the supplier, name, address, and contact, as well as customs status, T1, EXA, and who will be responsible for the customs, either the supplier or Maersk. Once this is completed, you can click on Save. Now that we have all the information on the supplier, we now need to have the details of the cargo. You can click on New Cargo Line to add one unit, pallet or box, and its details. You will arrive on the New Cargo Line form, in which you can enter all the details of the cargo. First, you need to tick the Dangerous Goods field if the cargo contains dangerous goods. If so, you will need to indicate the UN code corresponding to these goods. Please indicate if your cargo must be maintained between 2 and 8 degrees, 15 and 25 degrees, or ambient temperature. You can also enter your internal order reference if needed. Please fill in the palletization details for each handling unit. For example, if 5 of your pallets have the same dimensions, you do not need to fill in this form 5 times, but only to indicate 5 in the Quantity of Similar Units section. Then enter the dimensions and weight of your pallet, and the total weights and volumes for this number of units will be calculated automatically. You can also add the number of sub-handling units, usually the number of boxes per pallet. Please indicate if the unit can be split for pallets, if they are stackable, and if each unit is labeled to enable identification of the order. You can repeat this step for each different handling unit. When all the information is complete, click on Submit. We'll validate that we have all the information we need. After the Cargo Manifest page, you can click on the page related to shipping documents. From there, you will be able to add a new document related to the cargo, packing list, invoices, and certificate of donation. For that, click on New Document in the Cargo Documents box. Please indicate the type of document, for example, packing list, and select the right document and click on Browse. You can then click on Save. The second type of documentation is the one related to transport, for example, customs documentation. You can click on New Document. Then, you can select the type, add the document, and save it, just as you did for the Cargo Documents section. The third and last page handles the airway bills. You can fill in the form with the information you wish to appear on your AWB that will later be uploaded by the coordinator and made available for download. To add an instruction, click on New Instruction. You can now fill in the new AWB instructions form with all the information you need to see on the AWB. Once it is done, you can click on Save. You can repeat this process as many times as the number of AWBs required for your cargo. Once the AWB has been provided by Maersk, you will be able to download it on the platform. Click on Download in the AWB provided by the coordinator box to download the document. Congratulations! You succeeded to input the information of your cargo for the next flight. If you face any problems during this process, don't hesitate to contact our support team at euhab@hulo.coop.